After the QA and translation review, all edits must be incorporated into the materials before the final integration and recording of audio. As before, depending on who is responsible for the integration, there are two possible paths. In Path 1, all revisions are incorporated in-house by the technical writer, instructional designer, or graphic artist before the material is returned to the translation vendor. If a vendor that only performs translation was used, the management of the rest of this project remains in-house. In Path 2, if a full-service vendor was used, whoever serves the role of project manager is responsible for assembling all the materials, making sure the areas of revision are clearly indicated, and forwarding it on to the vendor for integration. It is likely that you might incorporate some of the revisions in-house and leave some for the vendor to integrate. If you want to keep your project on schedule and in budget, regardless of which path you take, no new text should have been added, only corrections to mistranslations, formatting, and usability. In Step 5, the process is much the same regardless of whether the integration is done in-house or by the vendor. If you use the TMS vendor, the translation memory is updated based on the reviewer's changes. All revisions are integrated. If there is audio, scripts are sent to the voice talent for recording. When the recorded audio is returned, import and synchronize it with any graphics or animation as required. If a vendor handles Step 5, the files are checked for quality before returning to the client. If Step 5 is performed in-house, then Steps 2 through 4 are performed by the appropriate people. At this point, the material is either in the project manager's hands, ready for distribution, or in the hands of the material creators. Either way, it is time to publish the materials for alpha testing. Stay tuned for the next video in the series, Steps 7 and 8, Publish, Review, and Final QA and Delivery. Thanks for watching.